Happy Friday, Year 5. I'm just going to go through your arithmetic test for today. So again, I've put a starter onto my maths, so make sure you go onto there. That's your times tables, just to keep those ticking over in your head. But we'll just have a talk through these. So number 1, remember you're doing the inverse, the opposite, to work your way back and work out what's been added. Okay, so using the numbers that you've got there, working out what has been added to 3,621. Number 2, we've got 7 squared. Remember what 7 squared means, plus 38. So you've got to do 7 squared, and then you've got to do another sum as well. So adding 38 onto whatever 7 squared is. Number 3, okay, it's a whole number. So 1, take away 12 over 15. Okay, so let's think about how we can make that easy. The whole we need to turn into the fraction. So think about what a whole fraction would be. So it would be 15 on the bottom. What would be on the top to make it into a whole? Okay, that would be the easiest way to work that one out. Now, number 4, don't let all the numbers scare you off. Okay, so if you're timesing by 2 digits, just remember the same steps that we have done in class. Okay, make sure you're timesing everyone by the 2 first. Then your second step, you add your 0 in, and then you're timesing all the numbers by 3. And then your final step, you add it up. If you need any extra help on that, make sure you could search multiplying by 2 digits on YouTube, and that would give you some help. Number 5, subtracting. You're going to have to do lots of transferring across the zeros here, so remember how to do that. A division, so bus stop division, seeing how many times 8 goes into that 4-digit number. Now remember what I always say with these ones, okay, make it easy, take all the zeros off, do the times in with the numbers, and then add the zeros back on. Easy as that. Minus 12, take away 6. I think you're getting less there. Okay, so minus 12, take away 6. Think about that one. Then you've got 36. We've done this last week, multiplying fractions by a whole number. So remember, are we just times in the numerator the top number, or are we just times in the denominator the bottom number? Think about that one. And then 362 divided by either 10, 100 or 1,000 gets me to 36.2. So think about where that decimal point is shuffled to. Okay. So good luck with that one, guys. They're getting trickier, but think we're moving through Year 5 now, so we've been doing lots of arithmetic practice. So have a good go at all of those. Try them all. You've been really good at trying them all. And see how many we can get. Okay, good luck with that.